What is the difference between a probationer and a permanent employee?
My name is Liaw, employment lawyer and the principal of Liaw Chambers.
What is the difference between a probationer and a permanent employee? If I have said that under the Employment Act, it doesn't distinguish between a probationer and a permanent employee, then why I still say, nevertheless, they may be treated differently under the eyes of the law? Why do I say that? Number one, security of tenure. A confirmed employee has security of tenure. A probationer does not have security of tenure. They do not have that protection under the law to be always in employment. Confirmation instead is conditional upon them performing to the satisfaction of the employer. And a lot of times, their benefits they're entitled to may not be the same as much as a permanent employee. So the law basically says that both of you are employees, both of you can sue, both of you are entitled to protection under the Employment Act, protection under the Industrial Relations Act. We don't say that because you are a probationer, you are not a real employee, you cannot sue, no such thing. However, companies are entitled to treat you a bit differently. You get less benefit, you get less protection, you get less rights. So most of the time, the difference is most obvious in the notice period. Probationers normally get like 2 weeks termination notice period, whereas a permanent employee gets 3 months or 2 months termination notice period. This is number one. Number two, the best time to terminate a probationer is actually at the end of the probationary period. Why? As many of you all say, a probation is a testing phase. A probationary period is the testing period. It is for the probationer in that testing period to prove themselves that they are suitable, they are fit to be confirmed as a permanent employee. Now, if after 3 months, let's say the probation period, 3 months, you think that this probationer is not fit to be confirmed, is not suitable to be confirmed, you can choose to say, after evaluation, we do not think that you fit the company's expectations, you do not suit the company, so we hereby don't confirm you and terminate you. So there is a possibility where a probationer is not confirmed and terminated because he is, in the eyes of the employer, not fitting, not suitable, does not meet the company's expectations. Whereas a confirmed employee, once you have confirmed him, you cannot one day say that you're not suitable for the company and therefore I remove you. You cannot one day just say that, oh, you don't fit our expectations, therefore I dismiss you. You must always go back to the just cause of excuse, the 3 just cause of excuse PMR. So these are different. The threshold to remove a probationer is actually lower. As long you are not fit, as long you're not suitable, the company will say that, okay, at the end of the testing period, you're not suitable, you don't fit our expectations, therefore we don't want to confirm you, and therefore you can go. Whereas permanent employee that has been confirmed, you can no longer say that. You can only remove him if there is just cause of excuse. So they are both employees, they are both workmen, they can both sue, they both have their rights under employment, but the status, the privileges is different. Permanent much higher than probationer.